Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Please, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. It helps a lot and we appreciate it. All right, Ashley just ordered a bunch of parts for this thing and we're hoping to have it dialed before the next race. So we're gonna go ahead and tear it apart and paint it to match Zoe's car. And then all the parts should show up here about a week, maybe a week and a half before her race. There should be plenty of time to put them on. So let's get to tearing this thing down. We got everything tore apart. Apologize about the wind. It's been windy every day this week. Crazy wind. But now all we got to do is just pressure wash everything, sand it, get it all prepped and paint it. The rest of the parts should be here sometime next week for the golf cart. We got some paint touch-ups we got to do on Zoe's Razor, so we're going to just try and spray this at the same time. So we'll get the pressure washing and we'll see you back in a minute. A little progress on the golf cart. Got this painted and back on. Body panels are in pretty rough shape, so it's just a rattle can job, but still looks 1,000 times better than what it did. We're gonna work on the rest of the pieces and get them put on. What we have here is a 6-inch lift and new wheels and tires for the golf cart. We figured since we already had it tore apart for paint, what a better time than now to install it. Check out these wheels and tires. I know it's dark, so it might be hard to see right now, but the 22-inch tires on this little thing. It's gonna look pretty beefy. We'll get a better look at them in the morning, but tonight we're gonna get the front end all tore apart. So tomorrow we can just slap this lift on and start putting the body back together. Since all the paint is pretty much done, get this project right started. Here it is. This is our 91 club car. This is Ashley's new pit vehicle for all the racing that we're going to be doing with Zoe. It's a 1991 club car. It's got a 6-inch lift, 22-inch tires on it, and turned out really well. I was a little worried. It was in really rough shape when we got it, but still some things we got to finish up. But all the paint matches Zoe's RZR. We got a couple decals that we're going to put on there to make it all tie together. And yeah, it should be a perfect little vehicle. As always, thanks for watching. And if you want to support Zoe, you can pick up one of these hats from our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. We'll see you in the next one.